A limited production of John Deere's debut Green on Green See & Spray Ultimate targeted spraying system will be available for order later this year. Deere launched See & Spray Ultimate on March 3rd. The factory-installed system consists of 36 cameras mounted on a 120-foot boom to detect weeds among corn, soybeans, and cotton using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Blue River Technology, an artificial intelligence developer acquired by Deere in 2017, created the technology behind the Green on Green solution. The sprayer has a split tank with a dual product capability, allowing the user to broadcast and target spray at the same time. Franklin Peitz, marketing manager at John Deere, says at 12 miles per hour, See & Spray Ultimate can reduce non-residual herbicide use by more than 2/3, while maintaining a hit rate comparable to traditional spraying. See & Spray Ultimate can be factory installed on model year 2023 John Deere 410R, 412R, and 612R sprayers. The Des Moines Works Sprayer Factory, which already produces those sprayer models, will manufacture See & Spray Ultimate. Peitz says double-digit units will be available for ordering later this year, which is also when pricing will be released. Deere will limit the first-year production supply to dealers in the Midwest, Mississippi Delta, and Texas, followed by a wider rollout in the coming years.
Yeah, our goal is for this to be a very simple transition for dealers who are currently selling and supporting ExactApply technology. That's our individual nozzle control technology. That's the foundation of this See & Spray. Absolutely, there's new diagnostics and other things, but we're working hand to hand with dealers this spring with some of the units that we'll have out there to really get them trained up and comfortable with supporting this technology.
In addition to the limited number of dealers who will have See & Spray Ultimate for sale, Peitz says another double-digit amount of ag retailers will have demo units out this spring. For more information about See & Spray Ultimate's features and Deere's plans for the future of this technology, click on the link included with the web story for this broadcast.